Hi, I'm Scott Lloyd.
And I'm David Lloyd.
And we're here for Dave's Race 4. This is the fourth time we've gotten to come to VIR, one of those amazing tracks in the country. We're so grateful for their support and how they've let us do this. We have an amazing group of people out supporting Dave and then all the people in the ALS community. And that's what we're here for, is we're raising money for ALS TDI for their research. And you know, this is something when we started, we thought we might raise $100,000 someday. We've raised $215,000 for this event alone, thanks to the generosity of all those who have donated online and here at the track. We're so grateful to have everybody here. Wanted to give one last special shout out to our sponsors. It's amazing how many companies and how many people have really come in to help us and support the effort. We were holding up one of the Dave's Race 1 shirts today. They had like 5 on there, and you can see we have 24 sponsors this year. So grateful to all of them. Please make sure you support them on social media or at their place of business. We really appreciate all that they do to make this race possible. So enjoy the video.
Thank you.